Do you feel like you work hard and collect your paycheck, but your money simply disappears without a trace? You are not alone. Today, I will show you the only budgeting method you will ever need. Take control of your money once and for all, while still actually enjoying your life. Welcome to The Funded Professional, your go-to space for learning about personal finance. In today's video, we are breaking down exactly how the 50-30-20 rule works. Most budgets fail because they are like crash diets, too restrictive, leading to binge spending. By the end, you will manage your money automatically, pay bills, save, and spend guilt-free. The 50-30-20 rule is brilliant because of its absolute simplicity. You don't need an accounting degree. Just divide your net income into three main buckets: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. This rule gives you a structured roadmap with enough flexibility to still live your life. The first and largest bucket is 50% for your needs. These are bills you must pay to survive: rent or mortgage, basic utilities, essential groceries, health insurance, and transportation. A common mistake is confusing a want with a need. Basic groceries are a need. Ordering takeout or dining at a fancy restaurant is a want, not a need. If your needs consume 60% or 70% of your income, do not panic. Adjust other categories, reduce fixed expenses, or increase your income. This is where the 50-30-20 rule really shines. 30% of your net income is for your wants. This is the money for your lifestyle and entertainment: dining out, streaming, new video games, coffee. Everything fun falls into this bucket. This 30% is vital due to human psychology. If you save too aggressively and cut out all fun, you will experience financial burnout. Allocating a generous 30% gives you permission to spend. It is guilt-free money. If it fits within that percentage, you can spend it without worrying about your future. We have arrived at the critical bucket for building wealth: 20% for savings, investments, and debt. This is the money that pays you first. Attack toxic credit card debt immediately. Build your 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Once debt is gone, this 20% becomes your wealth creation engine. This is where you begin investing in index funds or ETFs. If you are attracted to the FIRE movement, 20% is the starting point. This bucket will buy your freedom, allowing your money to work for you. To apply this in the real world, you need automation. Step 1. Calculate your monthly net income. Step 2. Print your bank statement and use highlighters to mark needs, wants, and savings. Step 3. Automate the system. Set up automatic transfers at your bank. On payday, have the bank automatically send 20% to your savings or brokerage account. What is left over is what you are allowed to spend. Make the system work for you on autopilot. If you found value in this guide, please hit the like button and subscribe to The Funded Professional. Leave a comment below. What is your biggest challenge right now when trying to save money? Hit the notification bell, because in our next video, we will explain what is FIRE. Mastering your finances is not about depriving yourself. It's about taking control. Start applying the 50-30-20 rule today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.